Alright guys, so we had this WM Caprice come in for an install. So it's a Series 2, so VE Caprice WM Series 2. So customer just opted for a VE Series 1 head unit. So the big 11-inch Tesla style screen that goes into this one. He's also opted for the Kayhan 360 camera kit as well. So that consists of the 4 cameras, so 2 side cams on both mirrors, the front parking camera, and then your reverse cam as well. So with this one, the car had a factory camera, so we put our reverse camera in the factory position as well. So nice and subtle, doesn't stand out too much. Yeah, so we'll just jump in and show you how it works. Alright, so just sitting in the car here, as you can see, all fits very nice in these ones. Flows with the dash pretty nicely. So a big upgrade for these cars. So yeah, so this is the home screen. So obviously from here, you've got access to a couple of little applications, your main phone, which takes you to your Bluetooth, AM, FM radio. It's got all your presets down the bottom there. Back button will take you back to the home screen. So you've got your Google Chrome. Obviously being an Android device, once we connect up to Wi-Fi or put a SIM card into this one, you have access to the internet, so you can download a whole bunch of applications, jump online, Google, YouTube, watch movies online, download stuff straight to your unit if you want to, all that sort of fun stuff. Main navigation, so with these ones you can preset navigation to be like Google Maps or Waze or whatever you want once you've got that downloaded on the head unit itself. Music is how you access your built-in memory or your USB drives. So just go into this one, you've got USB 1, USB 2, or your local, which is your built-in hard drive. So this one comes with 256 gig of built-in memory, so you can just transfer your storage from your USB devices straight to the unit storage itself. Let's get out of this one. You've got system settings, we'll get into that after. Application page. So again, your application page is where you can access all your built-in apps. So we come with Netflix, TikTok, Waze, DAB's built in as well. Video, same concept as your music. So USB 1, USB 2 or local. So again, if you've got a hard drive or a USB that you got plugged into your USBs, located in your glove box, then you can watch movies, or additionally move them over to the local storage and have them all stored for road trips or whatever you want to do there as well. Yeah, phone link is your Apple CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. So through there, you got your access to your phone's Google Maps or whatever navigation you use off your phone, or your music as well. Music, phone calls, navigation, all in the one spot. So that simplifies everything for you. As you can see, massive big screen, so all your navigation purposes and stuff are all sorted. So we just go back out of this one. So pressing exit takes you back to the home screen of the unit as well. Swiping back over this way, you got your main AM FM radio, Google Chrome, auxiliary in, AVM, which is our 360 camera view, sound effects, which is your built-in equalizer. So plenty of stuff with the DSP and DTS that's built in on these units as well. Now this car does have the factory fitted Bose system, and premium sound activation kit works with this one to get all that working. So built-in crossovers, speaker delays, fader balance. All your air conditioning controls pop up like this now as well. So just by pressing that little toggle bar that's down the bottom there, it brings you up your like fan speed controls, all your different modes throughout the center here. AC off, AC on. Temperature control left and right. This car is dual zone, so that's all working as well. Just getting out of that one, all your steering wheel controls fully functional too. That's it. So I'll pop the car into reverse here. You'll see the reverse camera with the 360 view pop up. So car in reverse. That brings up all of our cameras. So up the top there, you've got your main reverse camera, and then down the bottom, you've got your 360 bird's eye view. So I'll just go back into park here. Brings up your front camera for a split second, and by tapping AVM, you can actually manually view all the cameras whilst you're driving the car or parked up, stationary, whatever you want to do. So just by pressing all these ones, it brings up your different camera views. So front, tapping the screen once will bring it into a different mode. Same with your reverse cam. Then you've got your wide angle front and wide angle rear as well. Then you've got your 360 option too. So through there, you can actually spin the whole car around and view what's going on around you. And with the car in reverse as well, it has got the dynamic guidelines. So it's pretty handy to have. So yeah, I'll reverse the car out into an open space as well, just so you can see how that looks as well. As you can hear there too, the reverse beepers are working. So reverse sensors all active and working too. So yeah, as you can see just then as well, driving back into the garage, shows everything very clearly, where all the corners of your car are and all that sort of stuff. So you got the hazard button on the side there as well, which all works with your factory hazards. So just going into system settings inside here, that's where you got access to all your Wi-Fi settings and all that sort of stuff. So Wi-Fi enable will bring up all your hotspots or home Wi-Fi, all that sort of fun stuff. Mobile network. Bluetooth. So inside Bluetooth, that's where you find obviously your phones to connect up with your CarPlay and Android Auto. General settings. So you got your different audio control settings as well. So phone volume, music, navi, music drop ratio while navigating, and then music drop ratio while reversing as well. So if you don't want the audio to cut out while your car's in reverse, you just tap this one up a little bit to wherever you want, and then your music will keep playing while you're reversing the car. So plenty of settings to play around with. So built-in and external microphone switching. We've run the external mic on this one. It's just tucked up there. So the external mic's the choice. It's all your volume control for the microphones. And back up the top here, you got your car model. So car model is the selection you have to make for the CAN bus. So all your AC controls and steering wheel controls, all sort of stuff like that. So this one's set to VE2 dual zone. It's a Caprice, so WM Caprices come with the dual zone climate control. So on that setting, everything like that all works. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll chuck some photos up and stuff on our Facebook page as well. And yeah, let us know what you think. If you have any questions, just hit us up.